Adjectives of feelings and emotions. Examples. I am sick today. I am feeling sick today. I am getting sick. I am not feeling well today. They are happy. My parents are happy now. He is sad now. He is feeling better today. My brother is sad. Raju is scared of me. Some advanced adjectives. Delighted, delighted, ఆనందంగా, pleased, pleased, సంతోషంగా, embarrassed, embarrassed, ఇబ్బంది పడుతూ, fed up, fed up, విసిగిపోతూ, frightened, frightened, బెదిరిపోతూ, determined, determined, దృఢ నిశ్చయంగా, nervous, nervous, ధైర్యం లేక, content, content, తృప్తిగా, determined, determined, దృఢ నిశ్చయంగా. Exhausted, exhausted, బాగా అలసిపోయి. Guilty, guilty, తప్పు చేసిన భావనతో. Eager, eager, ఆతృతతో. Ashamed, ashamed, సిగ్గుపడుతూ. Keen, keen, ఆసక్తిగా. Anxious, anxious, ఉత్కంఠంగా. Enthusiastic, enthusiastic, ఉత్సాహభరితంగా. Amused, amused, ఉల్లాసంగా. Dizzy, dizzy, తల తిరుగుతూ. Drowsy, drowsy, నిద్రమత్తుగా. Furious, furious, ఆగ్రహముగా. Hesitant, hesitant, వెనుకాడుతూ. Envious, envious, ఈర్ష్యతో. Regretful, regretful, పశ్చాత్తాపముతో. Apprehensive, apprehensive, దిగులుగా. Reluctant, reluctant, అయిష్టంగా. If you think this video is useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.